In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and use the TradingView app effectively. Whether you're tracking stocks, cryptocurrencies, or forex markets, this app offers valuable tools to keep you informed and on top of your trading game. Let's start from the very beginning with downloading and installing the app. If you're an Android user, open your Google Play Store. For iOS users, head over to the App Store. Once you're in, search for TradingView, and when you see the official app, go ahead and install it. This will give you access to all the various features TradingView has to offer right at your fingertips. Now, after you've installed the app, it's time to open it and get logged in. If you already have a TradingView account, simply enter your credentials to log in, but if you don't have one yet, don't worry. You can easily create a new account by following the simple prompts provided in the app. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen. Here, you're greeted with a wealth of information including popular charts, personalized watch lists, and the latest market news. To dive deeper into any stock, cryptocurrency, forex, or other asset, use the search bar conveniently located at the top. Just type in the name or symbol of the asset you're interested in, and you'll see relevant results pop up. Ready to get a closer look at an asset? Simply tap on it from your watch list or search results, and its chart will open up in full view. This is where things get really interesting. Tap the screen again, and you'll notice a range of chart options appear. The toolbar is your gateway to adding various indicators, drawing trend lines, or even switching between chart types like candlestick or line charts. Timeframes are crucial for analyzing market trends, and TradingView makes it easy to switch between them. Just tap the timeframe button, usually located at the top of the chart. Whether you want to see minute-by-minute fluctuations or trends over weeks, it's all just a tap away. One of the standout features of the TradingView app is the alert system. By tapping the bell icon, you can set up price alerts for your chosen assets. This handy feature makes sure you're notified when an asset reaches a level you've identified, keeping you informed without having to constantly watch the markets. Managing your watch list is simple too. If you want to add or remove an asset, tap the star icon on the assets page and it's done. This allows you to keep your watch list current with the assets most relevant to your trading strategy. Don't forget to utilize the News and Ideas section within the Ideas tab. This is where you can check out trading ideas, read news updates, and engage with social posts from the TradingView community. It's a great way to gain insights and explore different perspectives. Lastly, customize the app to suit your preferences by accessing the settings. Tap on your profile picture or the menu icon to adjust themes, notification preferences, and more. With these settings, you can tailor the app experience to fit your unique needs, making your trading journey more efficient and personalized. And that's it. With these steps, you are all set to explore and make the most out of the TradingView app. Happy trading, and remember, the markets never sleep, but with TradingView you can stay ahead of the game.